Hi, yes, this is your Jhansi ma'am. In previous video, we have discussed how to write electronic configurations from 11 to 20. And before that video, we have discussed how to write electronic configurations from 1 to 10. Till now, you have not seen that videos. I have given that links in the description. Once you please go through that. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss how to write electronic configurations from 21 to 30. How to write electronic configurations from 21 to 30. Okay, see now here, just how we have written the elements in previous case, like that only we are writing. From here, it is 21 to 30 and their atomic numbers I am going to write. We will finish all the remaining elements electronic configuration except chromium and copper. These two we will discuss at the last. Now come to the scandium. In this case, till argon, the electronic configuration is same. I already explained you, right? This short form I have explained. Similarly for this also helium, as well as in the case of sodium, from sodium it is neon will enter, and after argon from potassium, argon will enter. So like that. So here scandium also after argon only it is coming. So in this case we will use the argon only in square bracket to reduce the size of the electronic configuration. First of all, for scandium I will write the full electronic configuration. Afterwards we will use the argon electronic configuration only. Means in the square bracket argon symbol. Now scandium. How many electrons? 21. Why? Because its atomic number is 21. So here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Till here we have finished at the case of calcium only. After 4s, next which orbital will come? It is 3d orbital will come. What is its capacity? 10 electrons. In previous video we have already discussed. When d orbitals will involve, in that case 10 electrons will enter, I told, right? Okay, so now 3d. Still how many electrons are left now? Only 1 electron. Count here. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20. So total 21 electrons are there. 20 electrons already filled in their respective atomic orbitals. Next one more is left, that 1 electron will enter into 3d. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1. It is the electronic configuration of scandium. Next for titanium. Till here it is argon electronic configuration, right? So I already told, in this place I will use the symbol of argon in square brackets. After this, what is left, that I will write now. So 4s2, 3d. Still how many electrons are left, students? Till here it is 18 electrons. 18 plus 2, 20. So out of 22, 20 are filled. So how many are left? 2 electrons. So the 2 electrons will enter into 3d. So here 4s2, 3d2. This is the electronic configuration of titanium. And before this, you have to represent this argon in square bracket. Then only it will be correct. Only 4s2, 3d2 if you represent, that electronic configuration will be wrong. Okay, next vanadium. So argon. So till here it is 18 electrons. 4s2 with this 20 electrons. How many are left still? 3 more. So 3d3 it is. I already told chromium at the last we will discuss. Come to the manganese. 25 electrons are there, right? So argon till here 18. 4s2 with this 20. How many are left? 5. So that 5 electrons will enter into 3d. So 3d5. This is the electronic configuration of manganese. Iron. Argon in square bracket. So 18 electrons. 4s2 till here 20. Still 6 more are left. So 3d6. Next. Cobalt. Argon till here it is 18. With 4s2 it is 20 electrons. Still 7 are left, right? So that 7th electron, where it will enter? Again it will enter into 3d. Why? Because the d orbital's capacity is 10 electrons. So till 10 electrons d orbitals can hold. So the 10th electron also can enter into d orbital only. So it is 7th only, no? So it will enter into 3d orbital. Next, nickel. Argon till here 18, 20. How many are left? 8. So it is 3d 8. Next, copper. We will discuss next. Next, zinc here. Argon till here 18. With this 20. Still how many are left? 10 more electrons are there. Capacity of D also 10 only. So here 3d 10. 3d 10 now. So these are the electronic configurations for 21 to 30 respectively, how I have written. So now we will discuss chromium and copper. In this case, actually electronic configuration has to come like this, right? But chromium will not follow this electronic configuration. Why? Because we have one small explanation here. What that means? Generally orbitals are filled with half or completely filled. Okay, half are completely filled. Orbitals are more stable. More stable. So now if you observe, d orbital capacity is actually 10 electrons. In that, half means how many electrons? 5 electrons. Now you please observe here, from 4s, 1 electron transferred to 3d. 4s will become 4s1 and 3d4 will become 3d5. So that what will happen? 3d means here d orbital will become half filled orbital, right? So that it will get the more stability than the normal electronic configuration. So because of this reason, chromium is showing the different electronic configuration than the normal. So this is the electronic configuration of chromium. So why it is showing this like this means to get the stability. Means to become more stable, chromium is showing this electronic configuration. Same explanation in the case of copper also. Actually copper has to get this electronic configuration, right? 4s to 3d9 configuration. But in this case also, if one electron is transferred from 4s to 3d, what will happen? The d orbital will fill completely, right? So instead of this, to get the more stability, copper also will show the different electronic configuration. So in this case, both chromium as well as copper, these two are showing the different electronic configurations to become more stable. How they are getting more stability? Because of the half filled or completely filled orbitals are more stable than the remaining case. So these two are showing the exceptional electronic configuration. I hope you like this video. Until if you are seeing our video the first time, means our channel, if you are seeing it the first time, please subscribe our channel, as well as just beside one small bell icon you can see. Please click on that and select the option all, so that you can get all my latest videos as notification. Thank you.